Hey, good morning, guys. My name is Jonathan. Today is September 7th, Saturday. So happy weekend to everybody and happy Saturday. Right now is almost 9 o'clock a.m. For this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install a tow hitch. On my previous video, I kind of did a comparison of the tow hitch I got from Walmart. So I'll be installing one of them. Yeah, so let me quickly show you. So when you buy a tow hitch, it came with the pins and to lock it. And then the one that I decided to keep is this open roll hitch. It's not installed yet. So it came with a hole right there, as you guys could see that. And then also you have to tie the bottom part. So I'm pretty much I did the hand tie on the bottom, so it's not completely threaded. But I'm going to install this first. So obviously first you open this. Okay guys, so after you open this, obviously you see there's a hole right there. That's where these pins insert into. So, and obviously you want to match the hole with the one that on the truck, the hitch, and then you sort of just insert it through the hole. Doesn't matter which side you go in from, either this side or that side, doesn't really matter. And they do sell those that with a lock on it, in case some people steal these, you know. But mine, it's just a basic one. It doesn't really have a lock on it. Let me get the camera angle. So yeah, so one of these, then you kind of just insert it through the hole right there. I need both my hand actually. Yeah, you just insert a hole just to lock it. Okay guys, quickly show you guys. So I decided to insert it from my right, and then I push the pins in already. So as you see, this thing is not going anywhere. It does have a little bit of play to it, but you could get one of those mount where you you could get one of those stabilizers where it kind of like hold it down in place. Next thing I need to do is tie this ball head up. This is a 2-inch ball. So yeah, sorry guys, I have my ATV on right now, so you want to tie this up. Let me tie it up right now. Okay guys, so I did as much as I could, but it still has some gap to it. So what's going to happen is I'm going, next time when I tow a RV, when I put the RV on it, the weight is going to push down on it and then give me some space to do it. Because every time when I turn it right now, this thing starts turning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it like this, and next time when I put the RV on it, the weight itself prevent this ball from turning, and then I'm going to tie this up. Right now it's not tied completely. As you see, it still has a few threads to go. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I kind of like the look of it, but I'm going to keep that, and that's about it. I hope you guys like the video. Oh yeah, my ATV, I'm just warming up right now. Just started up. It's early in the morning. Let me close the choke off. See what happened. Should be completely warm by now. I mean, yeah. So the choke is off right now, and yeah, it's maintaining the idle, which is pretty good. If you saw my other video, I picked these up a few days ago. I got this for $1,600. It's a TRX 250 EX 2006. So yeah, anyway, I got the tow hitch on. Next time, the goal is I'm gonna pick up a RV. So I hope that this thing is able to handle it. So yeah, alright, thanks for watching guys.